Yo, chat. Hello, hello. Yo, chat. Are we live? Hello. Yeah, we are live. So, how y'all doing, chat? How y'all doing, chat? So, today is the CPI day. Yo, chat, give a like to the stream. USD had just took out that high. Yo, 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 V. How are you, bro? Let me just share the stream with my Discord members. By the way, is my voice clear, guys? Glitched out, bro. CPI gonna rip that stop loss. But I'm not in any trade right now. What are you even talking about? But during London session, I captured this move. I think I was uh, got out like here, almost 24 pips. I captured that move during the London session. Let's see what New York session presents. No, bro. I'm not Indian, bro. Chat, have you guys taken any trade today? So I have this long in my mind, this long thread in my mind, like this pair from here, targeting this external range liquidity. I don't want to see USDT take out this low, guys. If this gets taken, I guess it's probably gonna continue lower. Yo, chat, give a thumbs up to the stream. Okay, we don't see anything right now. Maybe I'm gonna wait for the CPI news. I don't feel like taking any trade before CPI today. It's some sort of weird feeling today. But still, if I see anything, maybe I'm gonna put a small risk. Let's look at USD JPY. There's no clean setup. Price is just stalling around here. Maybe CPI can take this London session slow. Okay, okay. I guess I may gonna take a trade on Euro USDT today. It seems more clear than other pairs right now. GU hourly one. What are you talking about, bro? 1 hour chart. Okay. This small pair value app. Bro, I think you should use this 50%. Even if price tap on this, it doesn't mean it can continue higher from here. Maybe CPI gonna take out some external range liquidity and create some sort of SMT. Azure waiting CPI to create SMT and long GU. That's right, bro. That's the better option. My man knows something. Yes, man. Just wait. Let's wait. We have 1 hour left to for the news to hit. And I'm having a coffee right now. Yo, chat, give a thumbs up to the stream right now. Bro, I do not trade gold. If you want me to pull up the chart, I can do that. Let's have a look at gold. What's Zag doing? Overloads. Okay, for gold, I guess let's just watch how price reacts below this 50% of this leg. Then probably if you see something, you can take a trade uh, for the long side, I guess. But it's having hard time pushing up. See, almost I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. It consolidated around here for 5 days. So maybe it can break below this low. Mac Maestro, I appreciate the contents that you post. Thanks, brother. Okay, USD cat is just ripping higher, bro. What the fuck? It almost moved like 26 points. Let's just watch EU. I think EU gonna present a good setup today. Bro, when the CPI news hit, the move for the day, I guess, is already done. I hate to take trade when CPI already hit. Maybe that day I can take a trade on London session if there is CPI news on in New York session. But today I took a small trade on London session. That's why I'm looking for another setup to form. But let's see, because most of the time CPI is just not too good for everybody. Okay, Euro is taking that lower. I guess it's gonna take out this low. I was expecting to see Euro don't take that low out. Whatever. So chat, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel and yeah, give a thumbs up to the stream. If I see some type of swing low form here, that's gonna be good. But at the same time, DXY needs to take a make a swing high also. Yo, chat, what do you think? Which time frame is the most clean, has the most clean price actions? What's your thought on that? Not for you, like for every pair, like which time frame you think has the most cleanest price action? Okay, let's see. I would love to see this low staying intact, by the way. Okay, we have still 50 minutes left for the news to hit. 50 minutes. Yeah, still have 50 minutes to news. Bro, if price breaks above this low, this red line here, then it's probably gonna take out that Monday's close and create a low for the week. I guess some here I guess this is the protected low right here. For me, I would like to see this low stay intact if CPI takes out these lows. But let's see. If it fails to take out this low, then probably it will also not gonna take out this the Monday's low. But who knows? We can predict the CPI. Just check. Mm, So the previous CPIs, all of those are negative. The actual CPI numbers were negative for the previous ones. Maybe this time the XY is also gonna be go lower. And for this, it's for the core CPI, I guess. And for the CPIM, it's also negative. And CPIY month yearly. Previous CPIs were negative. Let's say if it stays negative this time also, then we're probably gonna see some bullish movement on Euro and GU. Okay. Yeah, bro. Just I just hope this one is also negative. But if we don't get a chance today to take a trade, then it doesn't matter, bro. There's live air us. We can trade tomorrow. Just do not force yourself to take any trades today. That's the best option for all of us, I guess. If we don't see anything, then Do not engage. Okay, we think I think this low gonna be taken out. See, market just trapped some traders right here. Right here, market trapped some traders. Now it's gonna take out those retail traders who put their stop loss right below this low. Like this scenario is the best scenario for today, I guess. But looks like Euro maybe gonna take out this low also. What is pound doing? Mm, but today GU is more bullish than Euro. Is there a specific news for GBP today? Is CPI gonna take out the London session low? I guess this could also happen, but still we're gonna look for this buy set liquidity. Our price could do another thing that like take out this high, then probably gonna continue lower to take out this low. Both way, it's gonna take out London session highs or lows. Okay, we're seeing Euro taking out that low. It already took out that low. Okay, let's see if it's gonna take out this low also. Okay, there is an aggressive move right now. By the way, if you really want to take trade today before the CPI news sheet, then just keep a small risk on the trade. If you just can't uh, control yourself, just put a small risk. By the way, chat, join the Discord server. We're gonna do live every Sunday there also. Maybe doing the weekly outlook sessions for EU currencies and maybe for indices also. So yeah, go and join the Discord server. You can find the link in the description. EU is crazy. That's also a problem for high impact news. So, so I just wait and see if markets give us any opportunities. Yo, chat, go and follow me on X. I'm uh, so close to 500 followers right now. When I hit 1K followers on X, I guess I'll probably do some giveaways there for my community members, and of course also join the Discord server. Okay, this flow is this flow probably gonna be taken also. By the way, chat, how many of you are bullish uh, on currencies today, and how many of you are bearish, and why bearish today? Let's leave up the light. Did you take out that low? Okay, that low is still intact, by the way. If we see price break this high right here and closes above this before taking out that low, then probably we can take a trade putting our stop loss right here. It's a big stop loss, but a safer place to put the stop loss. How many pips? Okay, almost 14 pips. And maybe you can target for this buy side liquidity almost like 60 pips. Yeah, okay. Okay, we created some swing low here but we do not see any SMTs except for this one with this low and this low. There is an SMT DXY. Maybe this high is gonna be broken. Turtle should buy. I would go long if price closes of this high. That's for sure. Maybe I'm gonna put small risk, but yeah, I would love to see price broke of this high and closes. One shot, one kill. Yeah, that's the best one to trade. But those takes time to what do you say? Like find, I guess. Not every week you can find a one shot, one kill setup. But when you find one, you can, if you see that, then yeah, you could probably sit all the month and be done for the month. Geo, well, let's see. Yeah, Geo also looks nice, but let's see on a 15-minute chart. Yeah, it also looks nice, but CPI is ahead, bro. If you wanna put the trade on, then just put small risk. Right now, I'm not sure about Geo. This motherfucker just took out that high and is ripping higher, bro. If this pair goes down, bro, that's almost 30 bits. I guess maybe just to take a pullback from here. Let's watch GU for a bit. Let's see. What the fuck? Okay, how many? Okay, we have like 32 minutes left. No, 31. I have 31 minutes left for the news to hit. Do not engage on euro if it doesn't close out this high. That's the best advice I can give. If it closes out this high, then probably you're gonna see some continuation towards upside. By the way, chat, how many of you trade uh, on a PC, or like what's your setup for trading? Do you trade on phones or smartphones or PCs or laptops? PC and mobile. Tabo. I think PC is the best option, and uh, but you can use your phone to manage the trades. Are we gonna see a bullish move today? Mac Maestro, analyzing on PC and executing and managing on mobile phone. Okay. Do you trade live funds or prop funds? Let it close above this high. Usually, GU needs to close above this high. I guess so. Yeah, you're right. If we like, yep. Okay, nice. That's nice. When you have enough capital, then I guess it's better to trade on live fund. But if you are building your equity, then go with prop firms and build your own capital. So where, by the way, let's see the deviations. Go where here. Maybe this could be the reversal point. Okay, G is taking out that uh, high out. Like if GU take out this high, then probably stall here for some time. Then it's probably gonna be a good buy from here, I guess so. And maybe you can put your stop loss right below the slope. If you want to trade today, then you have to put a bigger stop loss today. Most of the time, that's what you guys do wrong. You just put a small stop loss on a trade. Just try for once. Okay, try spreading your stop loss, not not too much uh, as compared to your stake profit. Maybe 1:1. but you will definitely see some improvement in your trades. Like how many times this happened to you guys? I don't know, but it happened with me like so many times. Like I took a trade, I put stop loss. Uh, First, when I was entering the trade, I put the stop loss right here. Okay, then like targets here. Okay, market moved a bit. I uh, like trailed my stop loss right here. Then market just stopped me out, but didn't do that first stop loss. It reversed. It went to my take profit, but stopped me out. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, there is a nice 15-minute fair value gap. You can use that as an inversion if you want. Right this. Okay, but this CPN is scary, man. Okay, like 13 minutes left for the news to hit twice. 13 minutes left. Your chat gave a thumbs up to the stream, by the way. Third, 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 third. Yo, bro. Fuck. Nah, bro. I'm not from India. I've already told you guys. Okay. That's not looking good. Now I would love to see price again push to that uh, inversion fair value gaps and then close of that. If it does, maybe I'm gonna open a small position on euro. If this fair value gap stays intact, then that's probably gonna be a nice scenario. You will be bearish. The bullish traders, bro. Your name is bullish traders, and you are saying you is bearish. Maybe, who knows? New weeks, yeah, opening. Let's see. Bro, there's no gap on my chart. It could, bro. That's why I told you, bro. Like, this is the safest option to put the stop loss. Like, just see the market. We see aggressive upside movement, then market just consolidate around here. Then another expansion phase and another consolidation phase right here. And right now, what's market good doing? Market just taking a pullback. Maybe then market's gonna take another expansion. These things are just so catchy, bro. Once you acquire them, then it becomes easy to spot them. Let's just see what this gonna do. Did we close above that inversion favorable? Right. We wanna see price some like taking support off of this inversion favorable, right? Okay, we have 15 minutes left for the news to hit. Buy the fair value gap and aim for the highs. I know, bro, but I'm waiting for something else. I have my own analysis. Let's not just be impulsive. Right. Let me just see something. Almost 37 pips. To be okay. Bro, Pinodi. funding is a prop firms, bro. You can grab a prop account from there. If you use next gen ICT coupon, then you will get a 25% discount. And a 10K account would probably be like 55 bucks. You can try if you want to. Okay. Yes, let's just see. Bro, I think that's a new prop. So there's a plenty right now, but those are new. You could probably maybe like wait for a couple months, I guess. How do you know, bro? How do you even know I placed an order on MT5? Ah, let's just see, bro. Trust me, I'm hearing an execution sound. Nah, bro, you probably heard something else. Or maybe, okay, there's 12 minutes left for the news to hit. Yo, chat, if you are new to the channel, then do subscribe and give a thumbs up to the stream. And yeah, join the Discord community. There's a link in the description. We're gonna do live there and maybe do some chit chat. What the fuck she's. Two things can happen right now if the news shifts. A price probably can take out that low and probably reverse from this fair value gap, or it can take out this London session, London close low, and probably reverse from inside of that fair value gap on an hourly chart. That's the two scenario I'm looking at right now. Yes, bro. That's what I'm also saying. But we expect the CPI to be negative on the XY. That's why we're bullish on and for currencies, and also our weekly outlook is bullish. For me, it's bullish. I don't know about you guys, but let's see. Nah, bro, I do not use any bonds, but I do use Cort Insights commitment of traders for the longer term uh, analysis. Not often, but sometimes. Okay, 8 minutes left for the news to hit. Okay, we took out that high by the way on GU, but we still do not see any closure of that high. So yeah, just wait. Let's just see one thing. See, there is an SMT. Price can take out that low also. Let's just take it off. Okay, this right here. Guys, if you want me to do live with Facecam, then just hit that subscribe button. I want to say we achieve 20K subscribers before this year. If we achieve that within this month, I'll do live cam from then. So yeah, press that button or smash it, I guess. Okay, 6 minutes left for the news to hit. Let me just grab some water. Okay. Guys, should I put trade breakdown videos on my channel? What do you say, guys? Okay, 5 minutes left for the news to hit. Man, this is just too stressing. By the way, Chad, what's the biggest trade you've ever hit? Did you buy on you or you're waiting for the news? Maybe you're gonna know that after the news hits, bro. But I'm looking for still. That's my bias still. Probably there's gonna be some sort of manipulation when the news hits towards downside. Then maybe price reverse from there. We don't know, but let's see. Are we gonna take out that low? I said that, bro. I would love to see this low stay intact. If it stay intact, that's the best scenario. Uh, if it gets taken out, then probably this London close low will probably be also taken out, and maybe we can see a reversal from there. That's what I also expect, bro. The news probably gonna take out that London's high. Okay, 2 minutes left, guys. Just 2 minutes left. Oh man, this is so stressing. It's just too much of stress. Okay, just take calm. Okay, 1 minute left for the news to hit. What are you gonna see? What are you gonna see, bro? If only they take the lows first. It could, bro. We already took out that London session slow, bro. Price could reverse from where it is right now. Okay, 50 seconds left for the news to hit. Bye. Yeah, 30 seconds left for the news to hit. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Let's just leave it. Let's see. 5 seconds left. Yeah, boy, we are cooking, bro. Right now, I'm cooking. Yep. Okay, that doesn't look good. Push, bro, push. Push, bro. Yeah, push. Fuck, man, yes. Point and a half. It is a 5 minute trade, bro. Yo, chat, spin up the W's in the chat. We hit a banger. I went long around right here, uh, on the third candle before the news candle, and yeah, got out right here. Yeah, boys, spin up the W's in the chat right now. By the way, I have just a small portion uh, on the trade right now. Yeah, baby. Spin up the W's in the chat. Okay, price right now, I guess, uh, let's see. Okay, great, bro. So we all hit a W's today, but look at USD cat, bro. USD cat just moved like 38 pips within seconds. What the fuck? Let's just see. Okay, I would love to see price for GU. I would love to see price push above this fair value gap, and yeah, maybe continue from there. But most of the move for today is done, I guess so. Yeah, boy, we ICT trader cooked today. We cooked. Damn. As I've said, bro, most of the CPI news are negative for DXY. That's what we saw today. So yeah. Okay, right now, those who have not taken any trades, do not engage in any trade right now. Just wait for the London close. If you see something there, then go for the trade. Otherwise, do not engage in any trade. Yo, chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you are new to the channel, then subscribe. We did it just like every other day. So on the stream, I think I've hit like 3 wins right now, and you all saw that we hit like three of them. Okay, see how price taking support off of that buy side liquidity at 1.34770 for GU. And what about USD cat? Okay, USD cat. By the way, Chad, if you have missed this move, then there's nothing to worry, bro. There's other days when you can achieve, I guess, capture this movement also. Don't be depressed. Sometimes you hit it, or sometimes you gonna miss it. That's how it is. Damn, bro. What a nice spread. What a nice spread, bro. Yo, Chad, join the Discord community, and yeah, follow me on X for more updates. And I post daily updates on my Discord community. Yes, so yeah, join that. Let's just see what we have for long-term targets. Okay, this high right here at 1.1698989. That could be the higher time frame target for EU, right? Okay, I'm risk free on my trade right now. Like I left a small portion to run. Yo, Geo and you just cooked today, bro. They both cooked. Yep. If you see my stop loss on this trade, you're probably gonna be like, what the hell? Let me show you where was my stop loss. Okay, right here was my stop loss. So it was like 1 is to 1.5 hour. So yeah, that was the trade for me today. And I told you, whatever happens was bullish on euro. I talked about two scenario on EU. Maybe it could take out this loss, leave it intact, and that's exactly what happened. Market didn't take that low out. See, when I started the stream, I told you guys this needs to be this, this low needs to stay intact, and yeah, maybe by one pip, just by one pip. See, but still it was intact. And another scenario was if it takes that low out, then it's probably going to take out that low also. But maybe from inside that fair value gap, it could uh, reverse towards upside. That was the two scenario I talked about in the stream, and we exactly saw that happened today. So yeah, we cooked, we cooked, bro. Maybe I'm gonna close my position. Yeah, I'm gonna close my position, I guess. Okay, so I'm full closed right now, bro. Let me show you the registry. Wait. Your chat. So this was the thread for me today. You see, I went right in that down close candle, the third one before the news. and we took some partials there and now all out on this down close candle. Like we captured around, I guess, how many pips? Almost 48 pips, almost 50, I guess. Okay, do not look for reversal in the New York session right now. Do not think that price would go lower from here. Just wait for the London close session, and if you see something there, then yeah, take the trade there. But do not engage in any trade inside the New York session right now. I'm from Earth, bro. You will know that when I start face cam live. Let's just wait for 20k. When I hit 20k, I'm gonna do pay a live with face cam and probably gonna tell you my story. Okay, Geo could can break this right now and maybe take support off of that shaded area and then probably may continue a bit lower than during the London close. You probably see the closing around inside this leg. Yo, chat, if you hit this trade, then spin up the W's in the chat. How many of you hit this trade? Okay, see how Geo's, sorry, Euro is stalling around those shaded area. This right here is around 10 pips. Yo, chat, join the Discord server if you are not there, and yeah, follow me on X. And if you want to start your funding journey, then yeah, go get an account with Finoti Funding. You will get 25% off with next gen ICT coupon. Okay, we're reversing. Mm, let's just go on a 5 minute shot. And yeah, okay, I guess around 7 standard deviations. Okay, this probably could be the high of the day. And if you want to take any trade, then wait for London close. Probably price gonna stall around this uh, from here and from this high to this low, around this within this leg, price leg. Have you guys booked profit right now, or are you still in the trade? Yo, chat. Have you guys booked profit on the trade or still in it? Yeah, man, we cooked. Okay, let me grab some more water. Yo, man, today was stressful by the way. Though we hit an W today, it's still a stressful trade for us. Yeah. Guys, join the Discord community if you want to know about the daily buyers, or if you want to connect with me, then yeah, go there and join the Discord community. I'll probably gonna do live session also there during Sunday, I guess, maybe Saturday sometimes, doing weekly outlook for currency pairs and indices. Let's pull up the S&P. What did S&P? Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Also did a very nice job today. Yeah, boy. How much? Oh my God. 46 candle. Damn, bro. Gold. Let's see gold. See, we talked about this that gold can probably show us some reaction of that below that 50% of that price. Like, let me show you. Okay, from this like, because it's having hard time pushing up upwards. So yeah, we could probably see some downside movement on gold. It bought using divergence. Which one, bro? Are you talking about ES? Already had this outline, bro. Just look at those positions. By the way, my ES chart is delayed, bro. Maybe there. You're talking about there, I guess. Let's look at US 30. US 30 also did a very good job today. I guess this high is gonna be taken up for US 30. Nasdaq, yeah, probably. Yeah, there was a very nice divergence. And okay, we had this outlined uh, on those previous live stream of mine, and just watch how it's gravitating towards that high. We had this outlined previous week. Yeah, though I do not trade futures very often. Yeah, but my strategy works there too. I guess this was the very moment when those who trade futures should have entered the trade right on this down close candle. Let's see our charts. What is Geo doing? Yeah, bro, Geo is gonna now probably gonna like what range between this high and this low. It's not gonna do too much for the day today. The move for today is done. Okay, we are seeing some SMT right here with Geo. Oh no, it didn't happen yet. Okay, Geo, if Geo take out this low and then create, create a swing low, probably there's gonna be an SMT with EU. Okay, did anyone lost the trade today, bro? Get stopped out today. Without you, my friends, and I tell you all about it when I see you again. Come a long way from where we began. They won't say that. What? What, bro? Thabo. Thabo. Is that Thabo? Okay. Bro, is that your real name? Or just you make up that? But we seeing some S&P with you right here. Sorry, DXY with USD cat. Maybe this high could be taken. Yeah, that high can possibly get taken on USD cat. Yeah, bro, right. Whatever, bro. There's lots of opportunity every day. If I get stopped up one day, that doesn't mean I lost everything. Okay, this is the high. I think USD cat probably gonna take out that high. Guys, by the way, should I start doing stream on Twitch? Like this live sessions? Should I do it, bro? At the same time, I guess on Twitch and YouTube. What do you think about that? Okay, we are pushing right now. Yeah. By the way, chat, if you want to start your funding journey, just go grab an account with Finity Funding. They are giving 25% off if you use my coupon code NextGen ICT. Or you can just go through the link in the description. Okay, I'll think about that. But I want to start streaming on Twitch also. But right now my crib is a bit messy. I'm thinking about like when I start doing the face camps, probably that time I'll also start trading on live on Twitch. It's like amazing to interact with new people every day, man. Okay, we are gravitating towards that 1 minute high right there on that CB. Inside that CB, yes. But I think the low for the day is made on USD CAT and uh, DXY. Also, the highs on those currencies like Euro and Pound. Okay, we are taking out that high, I think. Bro, if guys, if you have lost today, there's nothing to be depressed about. Because trading is like that. Sometimes you're gonna hit it, or sometimes you're gonna miss it. Market's not gonna give you money each on each trade. Sometimes it's gonna take from you. That's how it is. Just accept it and stick to your model or strategy. If you miss it, just close the charts and do something else. Like I used to trade like uh, impulsive when I first started learning ICT, and maybe around 1.5 year. That's when I started trading live, and those times were hard for me. But after that, I again went in demo account, then trade around like 1 year, I guess. 1 year I traded demo account just to improve my psychology and the refine my strategy. After that, I again shifted to live trading. Just work on your psychology, bro. It's all about the psychology. And yeah, the most important thing I've already said it, to identify the direction where price is heading to. Like if you can identify where is the liquidity is residing, or for that such session where price is gonna take out that high or those specific lows, then you've probably done your 80% of the work. Just put a stop loss at a right position and yeah, take the trade and close it. Put limit orders. You don't need to stare at those charts for hours just to take some stress. Just close them when you are in trade, and yeah, check back later because you've already put some limit orders, so there's nothing to worry. If price went to you take profit, you it's already booked. You don't have to just stare at those charts all day long. That's the annoying part of trading. That's why most of us can make it. Just take those trades and just close it. Did you take out that high? It was 13940, and this high was okay. We created equal highs. We haven't take out that high yet. Did okay? DXY have taken out that high. Current current. Yo, bro, hi. How are you doing, bro? Oh, I guess uh, it's been around like More than 4 years right now. I think 2 years like have passed in just learning and refining my strategy. More than 2 years, I guess. But yet I sometimes do live demo trading. There's always space to improve yourself, boys. So yeah, just stick to your model. Don't jump from one to another. If your model fail once, then it doesn't mean that it doesn't work. You probably missed something. Like that's the thing. ICT have already said that multiple times, like countless times. He have indicated that all those psychology videos I put on my channel, there's something in all of those. You just need to listen carefully and yeah, put those important sentences where ICT mentioned something on in a notebook and yeah, revise or read them when you're free. Those are gonna help you so much. I think I've listened all of his Twitter spaces. And yeah, also keep in mind that just don't go in trading leaving everything else behind. Like you need to have something else to do, uh, and another income source. That way you'll have less stress, I guess, uh, and focus on your trading. Do something that brings you money when you're trading. And if you see trading is giving you uh, much more than that side income, then go all in trading. And right now, I think the best way to make money with trading is to trade with those prop firms. They are giving free money, boys. Just take their money and build your own capital. It was never like that before. So yeah, you have lots of opportunity right now. And improve yourself, do journals every day, and store them somewhere where you can access them. Don't just like I used to journal on my notepad, like, but I never went through them later. That's what made me fail multiple times. But when I really started doing that thing, uh, so many things unlocked to my eyes. Like I journaled around uh, 19 weeks, I guess. I captured screenshot on two pairs each day, each trading sessions, and he has stored them in uh, Google Drive folder. And when there's weekend, I used to revise them. That's gonna help you, bro. Trust me. If you don't trust me, just do it for like 1 month. You will see result, and then come back and tell me that if it did work or didn't. But for me, it did. Okay, we saw USD cat fail to take out this high. Okay, they created like equal highs there. Right now, maybe USD cat gonna take out that low. This is the first low USD cat can take out. Let's see Geo. Okay, Geo is still stalling around that buy set liquidity at 1.34770. We created a lower low. What about Euro? Okay, Euro also created an lower low there. What's the time right now? Okay, it's like 9:17 right now. I guess price is going to just stall around within this price from that high and that low. Price is just going to stall around there, and maybe during London close, price is going to create the high of the day, then close around somewhere here. Or price could do one thing, just stall around here, then the London closes within this range. This two scenario could happen. What is gold doing right now? Okay, see, gold didn't even give any opportunities today. It's shitty movement for gold today. What is ES doing? Mm, ES 500, okay. Let's say ES futures market. Okay. I guess ES also created the high for the day today. It took out that London sessions low and then reversed from there. In Q. Mm, okay. What do we see on USD CAD right now? So yeah, I think I'm done for today, guys. Those who haven't subscribed yet, just hit the bell icon and yeah, give a thumbs up to the stream. We hit a banger today. We captured around 40 pips, I guess. It was a 40 pip trades from here. Okay. Yeah, we captured around 40 pips in today's trade and shared everything with you before the news hit, and yeah, we delivered as I said. Yeah, spin up the W's in the chant. Yeah, give a thumbs up to the stream. And yeah, don't forget to join the Discord community. You can find the link in the description. So we go live again tomorrow, I guess. Yeah, we'll go live again tomorrow. Until then, stay healthy and yeah, peace out, guys.